Welcome to our second video on Shakespeare and welcome to the bdmcq tutorial. Let's start. We know Shakespeare has written 37 plays and these are divided into three types or parts. These are 1. Tragedy, 2. Comedy, and the last one is history. Tragedy dramas are Hamlet, Prince of Denmark, Julius Caesar. The main characters of Julius Caesar are Caesarum, Brutus, and Antony. King Lear, Macbeth. Othello. Main characters of Othello are Othello and Desdemona. Next, Romeo Juliet, Antony and Cleopatra, Troilus and Cressida. Comedy writings are Tempest, 12 Nights, As You Like It. As You Like It has written on the memory of his mother. Comedy of Errors, A Midsummer Night's Dream, Also That's End Well, Lovers Lost, Measure of Measure, Merchant of Venice, Merry Wives of Windsor, Much Ado About Nothing, Pericles, Prince of Tale, Taming of the Shrew, Two Gentlemen of Verona, and Winter's Tale. Writings on about history, these are Henry IV, Henry V, Henry VIII, King Jack, Richard II, and Richard III. Among these, Henry IV and Richard III are most popular. Thank you very much. Stay connected and watch our third video on Shakespeare.